Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Password. Then click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and tap on Get Started. All you need to do from here is tap on the switcher next to Show Notifications to enable or disable notifications on your lock screen. When you're done, you can click Home button, and now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!